Aiden. Aiden.
Oh.
Aiden. Aiden.
You
got another new one in your mouth?
Yeah. This.
Mom,
Oh, yes. There's no more oranges. Oh, wait. There's a pile on Evan's plate. And a little bit of a pile there, too. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mama. I love you, Mommy.
Love
Yes, I love you too, sweetie.
I made my 6 orange. Mom, I ate 6 oranges.
Awesome.
Dad, how many oranges did you eat?
1, 2, 3, 4. Really?
Look, I have 5 here.
Oh,
See?
I only got
1,
3.
2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 6th.
Wow.
Yeah, Mommy gets the last of everything.
Keep it good with the camera.
Look at him go. Hey, you silly boys. Hey.